What's up, everybody? So Pinterest just came out with a new update to their attribution settings within accounts. They are now fully aligned with other paid social channels in terms of their look back window. So if we think about like with Meta, you're probably familiar with 7-day click, 1-day view. You know, it used to be 28-day click, and you can adjust the view through windows. So Pinterest came out with an update. I first saw it this week in my client accounts, and I just want to walk you through what the change was, how it might impact your reporting, what to do about it, if anything, like what actions to take, and just kind of catch you up to speed on this key update that, in my opinion, Pinterest should have done a long time ago. So I'm here in my account here. This is just my agency account, so there's no data, but just for the purposes of showing you. So when you log into your account, you'll come up here to conversion settings, and you'll notice there's only two numbers. It used to be three. So what this is our click and view through look back windows. So we have 60-day click, 60-day view, all the way down to 1-day click, 1-day view. They used to have engagement look back window as well. So it used to be 30-day click, 30-day engagement, 30-day view, 7-day click, 7-day engagement, etc. Basically what this change is they just sunset the engagement attribution. And to me, this makes sense because with a lot of my clients, I wasn't seeing a lot of engagement conversions that weren't also click conversions. The only exception is saves. So when a user saves a pin, they see an ad in their feed and they save it to one of their boards. They don't click on it. They don't click through to the website, but they save it. That was my only use case for an engagement conversion. If someone saved a pin, never clicked on it, but went to the website a week later or a few days later, Pinterest would attribute that conversion to that engagement event for that save. But now with Pinterest being, direct click, meaning if a user sees an ad and they click anywhere on the pin, it goes straight to the website. So it used to be where the pin would close, like it would zoom when a user clicked, but now they just go straight to the site. So really every engagement is essentially a click. So Pinterest just got rid of the engagement event, and to me it makes sense. Just knowing the clients that I work with, I'm not seeing too much of a change in the reporting. So let me just jump into one of my client accounts and I'll show you differences in reporting. All right, so I'm in a client account right now. I blurred everything out for privacy, but right now we're looking at 7-day click, 7-day view. You can see we have 140 checkout conversions, a 22 ROAS, 672,000 in revenue. And when I switch to, let's just do 30-day click, 7-day view, only a difference of 5 checkout conversions. ROAS remains the same. The revenue is pretty similar. So not a major discrepancy. Unfortunately, since I can't look at the engagement attribution anymore, I wouldn't be able to tell the difference, but I got 90% confidence that this would not be any different if we looked at 3037 versus 37 or 377 versus 37. So it's kind of a minimal change, more of a housekeeping change on Pinterest's end. They just probably needed to do this for a while. But again, not seeing too much impact. If you're in your accounts and you are supporting and you need to kind of adjust your strategy as a result, reach out to me. I would love to chat and give some ideas and walk through it together if you want to. But this is the update. It's a key update from Pinterest. One that like I've asked for a while. So it's good that they're kind of adapting and just making things more cohesive and simple from a reporting standpoint. So let me know your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. I'm going to be posting a lot more videos in relation to Pinterest ads, Pinterest strategy, Google ads tactics, Google ads updates. So would love to hear from you. Let me know if you have any questions, and we'll see you in the next video.